Today we will learn a new sound. It's f sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action for f sound. We will listen to a song. We will learn new words and we will do activities together. So let's start. First, let's do the action together. Slowly bring your hands together to mime an inflatable fish deflating and say f. And now let's write f sound. Put your finger up and say curve, round, down, left and cross. Let's sing the song together and do the action.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
And now let's read some words with f sound. We have fire, fire, fox, fox, fan, fan, frog, frog, farm, farm, farmer, farmer, fat, fat. And now it's activity time, so let's start. Listen to the story and try to remember the words with f sound.
Frida, Fred, and their friend Felix are at the beach. Fred has a large floating inflatable fish. Frida has a new flowery sun hat and a bucket and spade. First, the children go into the water to play with the inflatable fish. Then, Frida and Felix build sand castles, while Fred puts on his flippers and goes for a swim. Frida and Felix have fun decorating their castles. Frida puts flags on the 4 towers of hers, and Felix goes off to find some shells and seaweed for his. Suddenly, the children hear a strange sound. They look around to see Fred's inflatable fish getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Its plug has come out, and all the air is escaping.
Now say the sounds and try to read the words.
Flat. Fist. Fog.
Click the pictures that begin with f sound. We have football, fork, fox, fish, fire. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.